Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, so don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay, so what we will be discussing today are all about linear equations in two variables. So when I say linear equations, the exponent of the variable must be 1 or wala kayong makikitang exponent ng variable as is. Okay? So, when I say two variables, there must be x and y. So, as you can see, two variables. So, yung a, b, and c are real numbers. They must be numbers, okay? So, ito po yung standard form ng ating linear equations in two variables. Ito po yung standard form. So, when I say standard form, your a and b must not be 0. So, why is that? Kasi kapag 0 na yung dito, 0 na rin to, mawawala yung x, mawawala yung y. Kasi that will be 0 times x. And any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, mawawala yung variable, mawawala yung y, constant na lang yung matitira. So, hindi na siya linear equation in two variables. Okay, so I will teach you how to change the given linear equation into the standard form. So, as always remember that in the standard form, yung dalawang variables na x and y ang nasa left ng equal sign. Tapos yung constant or yung walang variable, siya naman yung nasa right ng equal sign. So, with that, kung ito yung given natin, ito yung equal sign, tandaan, x and y lang ang nasa left ng equal sign. So, kung ito yung equal sign mo, x and y lang dapat ang nandun. So, kung meron dyang naliligaw, so ito siya, si minus 5, ililipat lang natin siya doon sa kabila. Okay? So, when we transpose this to the right, so that will, may iwan na lang dito ay 2x plus 3y equals 0. When you transpose minus 5 to the right, that will be plus 5. Magbabago ng sign. Or actually, we use the addition property of equality. Pero hindi mo natin i-discuss yun. So, yung madaling way lang. So, you solve for this part. So, that will be 2x plus 3y equals 0 plus 5 is 5. Now, after identifying or getting the standard form, you will be asked to get the value for A, value for B, and value for C. So, to get the values, you just have to look at the standard form. So, si A yung may katabing X. So, hanapin mo dyan yung may X. So, the number before X is what we call the value for A. Then, si B yung may katabing Y. So, ito yung Y. So, yung katabing number ni Y, siya yung B. Tapos, si C yung constant or yung walang variable. So, ito siya. So, that will be 5. Okay. Now, let us have another example. Ganun lang po kadali. Lipat-lipat lang. So, let's have number 2. Y is equal to negative 4x minus 3. Okay, so, as you can see again, ang nasa left dapat nandun yung x and y. So, ito yung equal sign mo. Ang nasa left mo lang si y. So, hanapin mo kung meron ka bang x dito. So, yung x mo nandito sa kanan, so, kailangan nandun siya sa left. Kasi, kung ito yung equal sign, nasa left si x. So, itong buong yan, siya yung buong may variable x, ililipat lang natin siya to the left. Then, si constant, ito yung equal sign. Si constant, yung walang variable, nasa right side naman siya dun sa standard form. Nasa right side. So, no need to transpose minus 3. So, moving this to the left, magbabago yung sign. So, that will be positive 4x. And since your y here is positive, you put plus, then y. Tapos, bring down mo lang to, minus 3. Okay? So, meron na tayong x, y, tapos constant. So, identify lang natin yung values ni na A, B, and C. Si A yung number before X, so that will be 4. Si B yung number before Y. So, since wala kayong nakikitang number dito, automatic may 1 po yan. So, 1. Si C naman yung constant here, so we have negative 3. Okay? Last na for the changing into standard form. So, let us have x is equal to 9y. So, again, Sa left side ng equal sign, dapat nandun yung x and y. Then sa right side, nandun yung constant. Okay, so ito yung equal sign. So x and y nasa left, constant nasa right. Same goes here. Kung ito yung equal sign mo, dapat nandito yung x tsaka y, nandito lang yung constant. But since your y here is on the right, we have to put this on the left. So let's start with x muna. So since si x hindi naman lumipat, copy mo lang si x. Then, si 9y, positive si 9. Pag nilipat mo yan, magiging negative. Then, equals, since wala tayong constant na given here, or here. So, meaning to say, nung nilipat mo to, nawalan ka na ng term dito. So, kapag nawalan ka na ng term dyan, it means 0. Okay? So, here, our A is the number or numerical coefficient of x. So, wala kayong nakikita, automatic, yan ay 1. Your B is the number or the numerical coefficient before y. So, your y is here, so we have here 9, but you have to take this sign, negative 9, okay? And then your constant here is 0. So, that will be all for today.